This is the moment the rumors stopped feeling like rumors. For months, the so-called DJI Avata 360 lived somewhere between fantasy and possibility. But now, we have leaked video, we have beta software confirmation, we have bundle listings, we have consistent promotional images, and we have a realistic launch window. When leaks start aligning instead of contradicting each other, it usually means one thing. The product is real, and it's close. If you've followed launches from DJI over the years, you know the pattern. New products almost always appear inside beta versions of their apps or goggles software before launch. It happened with the DJI Avata 2, and now it's happening again. Inside a beta build of DJI goggles software, testers discovered a short instruction video, around 16 seconds long, showing how to insert and activate a new battery. The video quality? Terrible, but the resolution doesn't matter. What matters is the interface clearly labels the device as DJI Avata 360. Not a code name, not a placeholder. By the time instruction videos are embedded in firmware, hardware is finalized. Test units are circulating. Documentation is complete. That means this drone isn't early stage anymore. It's in launch prep. There's more. In the same leaked clip, the Avata 360 appears side by side with the Avata 2 inside the goggles interface, giving us a rough size comparison. And it looks slightly larger. Not huge, but big enough to suggest added hardware. Now think back to those earlier promo images. Two large camera modules, one on top, one on bottom. At the time, people weren't sure what they were seeing. But now, bundle leaks mention 8K 60fps HDR panoramic video. Suddenly, it makes sense. Two lenses, full spherical capture, true 360 recording. If that spec is real, this isn't just another FPV drone. It's a hybrid, immersive FPV flight combined with professional 360 capture. That changes everything. Instead of framing perfectly mid-flight, you capture everything and reframe later. Vertical edits, horizontal edits, dynamic pans in post. Fly first, decide later. That's powerful. Hardware details suggest forward-facing obstacle sensors, but no visible rear sensors. So this isn't meant to replace a cinematic folding drone. It's optimized for speed, immersion, and forward FPV flow. There are even signs of 4-blade propellers, which could improve stability and reduce vibration for high-resolution 8K footage. Everything points toward smoother, more immersive capture. Compatibility might be DJI's smartest move. Leaks suggest it works with existing goggles and controllers. No forced ecosystem reset. If you already own compatible gear, you may only need the drone itself. That lowers the barrier to entry significantly. Now let's talk timing. Holiday release? Missed. February? Delayed. But current expectations point to March, likely launching in China first before going global. And the pattern lines up perfectly. Beta firmware leaks, bundle pricing, promo materials. When those stack up like this, the announcement usually follows within weeks. So here's the big picture. The Avata 360 looks like DJI merging two creative worlds. The adrenaline of FPV flight, and the flexibility of 360 storytelling. If even half these leaks are accurate, this won't just be an upgrade. It could be a shift in how FPV drones are designed. Now we wait. But if history tells us anything, we won't be waiting much longer.